Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Pembroke Castle, which, believe it or not, is a castle in Pembrokeshire. We went there about 8 months ago, but my health took a turn for the worse and I just haven't done any editing or any videos since. So I'm going to get this one edited and out to you. I hope you enjoy it. It was just a nice family day out, and if you are ever in Wales, near Pembrokeshire, it's a really nice place to go. So let's get on.
Look, you're going to eat your cookie.
He looked like he was ready to go then. Ready? Yeah, there will be.
I am John, trusted servant of Jasper Tudor, the last Earl of Pembroke to make this a great castle. You may think Tudors were an English dynasty, but they were of Welsh blood. Lord Jasper's father, Owen Tudor, caused a huge scandal by secretly marrying his kinswife, something practically treasonous. Did we ever make the video
But we did the top bit. Oh, it wasn't all
also a tiny window.
Oh, tiny window,
tiny window. A small window.
You lost him.
Me first. Second purchase before. Come Leo. Oh my God.
Still going. Just checking. Yep. No, that's exactly what I thought. I thought they dug unless it was like digging out the wall, but that's not. Okay. Right. So do you want to just go back now and... Okay, there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. Just gives you a little bit glimpse of a castle, and it is a beautiful castle, and there's a lot of places to go that are inaccessible to me now. But, you know, if you go, your kids love it, you'll love it, etc. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.